Hey, how is everybody doing? Listen, it is your girl Gail McDowell out of the Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina area. Guys, and I wanted to come to you tonight to talk to you about CBD, right? Our awesome products. I want to share with you an awesome and great opportunity where you can lose weight, get healthier, and earn some money, right? So that's why I'm here tonight. I want to talk to you guys briefly. This will actually be my very first opportunity live. I know I come and I talk about the products, but tonight I'm gonna talk about a great opportunity that you guys can be a part of and get your body in the best shape that it's been in since maybe birth, right? So listen, as you jump on my live, please let me know where you're watching me from. You know, I want to see how far my video goes. I want to see who's watching me. Hey, Makita. Hey, my brother Walt. Let me know where you're watching me from. If you're watching the replay, put replay and let me know where you watched from, because I still also like to know who came in and who watched, right? So tonight, guys, I'm going to talk to you about our awesome company called Total Life Changes. I know a lot of time when people do videos, they wait for people to pop on, but I'm just going to start sharing what this company has done for me. I've been with this company, Total Life Changes. It will be 4 years next month, guys, in February. For all of you who don't know, I lost 25 pounds in 33 days using these awesome and amazing all-natural products from Total Life Changes. And so tonight I want to share these products with you. I want to share the opportunity. I'm even going to tell you about how to make money with these products. You know how you go to a good movie and you tell somebody about the movie and they go see it? That's basically what you do here. You know, you take the products and then you tell the person about the products, and then the next thing you know, they want to order the product. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is our CEO of the company. His name is Jack Fallon. He founded this company. He started it in the basement of his home, guys. And he started with one of our products called NutriBurst. This was his very first product, guys. He started this company with our amazing and awesome NutriBurst, guys. This is a liquid vitamin, right? This is a liquid vitamin. Once you take a tablespoon of it, it goes directly to your bloodstream. 98% consumption. That means 98% of it goes directly through your bloodstream, and you're only peeing out 2%. Unlike those vitamins in the pill form, guys, when you take those, you're only getting about 20 to 25% of it that's going through your bloodstream, and the rest you're peeing out. So you're really wasting your money with those pill form. But with this liquid form, guys, it's going to go directly through your bloodstream. It's going to feed your cells, because, you know, some of your cells are starving, and they're starving for some nutrients, right? And so this is what this NutriBurst is going to do. It's going to feed it that nutrient. This NutriBurst also has biotin in it, which help with growing of the hair. It is power packed with fruits and vegetables. It is equivalent, 1 tablespoon is equivalent to eating 10 salads. So let me ask you this. How many of you actually would eat 10 salads in one day? And I'm not talking about a salad with croutons and bacon and cheese in it. I'm talking about healthy green leafy salads, right? That is what this is equivalent of. Our company started with this product. I drink NutriBurst every day, right? Every day I drink NutriBurst. And I can say this. I've been drinking it now for 3 years. And I used to every year get a strep throat around October, December. I would get a strep throat, have to go to the emergency room, and then I would get a shot of penicillin right in my butt cheeks, right? Because that's how bad my sore throats were. Since drinking this NutriBurst, guys, I have not had a strep throat. Making no medical claims, but I have not had a strep throat. I have not had a cold. Maybe 2 days ago, I had the sniffles, and that's the first time in 3 years. So this product is awesome, guys. We also have our ISOT. Hi, Jessica. We also have our ISOT, and most of you already know this gives you a full body detox, detoxing your upper and lower intestines, guys, getting your body rid of those toxins and parasites and that old poop that's been sitting there. Because, you know, our intestines can hold up to 20 pounds of poop, guys, old poop that's just been sitting there. And what this tea is going to do, it's going to break all that up, and it's going to detox it out of your body. It's going to, not only is it going to detox the poop and the toxins, it's going to detox your liver, your kidney. It's a full body detox, guys. So this tea is still our #1 tea in the company, right? So listen, we are the first company to get a tea infused with hemp and CBD, right? So we have our instant tea, which is infused with CBD and hemp extract. It's a full spectrum, so it's not something that's been diluted with anything. It's full spectrum of hemp, right? So no, it does not have it's not loaded with THC, so it's not something that's going to get you high. So it has 0.1% of THC, and that's the ingredients that's in marijuana, guys. But marijuana has a load of THC. Our CBD, guys, listen, it's going to give you all the healthy benefits of the CBD without the high. So no, you're not going to get high taking our CBD products, right? So I will say this: if you have a government job or you work a job where you do drug testing, I would recommend that you get a copy of our COA, which is Certificate of Analysis, and share with your job to make sure it is okay for you to take this CBD. But listen, this CBD is going to help you lose weight, guys. It's going to help you with anxiety. It's going to help you with pain. It's going to help you with your skin. It's going to help you with that inflammation. So if you're dealing with arthritis, guys, it's something that is going to help you with. You're going to sleep so good after drinking the CBD. It has a very good lemon taste to it, so it tastes great, right? The little sachets, you can just throw them in your purse, and all you do is add it to a 16.9 ounce bottle of water. You shake it up, and you drink it 30 minutes before your dinner, right, guys? And you're going to start feeling it. You're going to notice that when you use the bathroom, guys, you're going to see a difference because of the CBD that's in it. This is a game changer, the CBD tea. You have to try it, guys. We also have something called Harmony Drops. As you can see, my bottle is about empty. This Harmony Drop, guys, it has full spectrum of hemp. It's come from the hemp plant itself, right? It's good for skin, nail. If you're balding, you can rub it some in that spot. It's good for hair loss. It's good for inflammation. It's also good for pain management, right? This is good for pain management, right? And guess what else, guys? It has MCT oil in it, and that oil, MCT oil, it helps suppresses your appetite, and it burns calories, and it's good for weight loss, and it prevents your body from storing fat. So how awesome would this Harmony Drops be? You know, it's gonna help with pain, it's gonna help with inflammation, it's gonna help with weight loss. How awesome is this, right? So it comes in, you just open it up and you take a drops under your tongue. You'll figure out exactly how much, you're just going to adjust it and see what works well for you. But these Harmony Drops are a life changer, guys. We also have our Alleviate. This is a topical cream, the Alleviate. It has a nice smell to it. You can see it looks like that. The Alleviate has full spectrum of hemp in it also. It's good for joint discomfort. So if you have arthritis, let's say you have arthritis in your knees, because I do, right? So I rub this on my knees, guys, that it goes down deep, all the way to the bone. So it's going to take that pain away. It's good for inflammation. It can be used on your face for anti-aging, smooths out wrinkles. It helps calm you down. It has this smell to it. It's just gonna calm you down. It's good for dark circles, pain management. It is a de-stressor, guys. This Alleviate is awesome. You have to try the Alleviate. So those are some of our products, because the CBD industry, guys, by the year of 2022, is going to be a $24 billion industry. So I will suggest that you jump into this industry now. It may have been too late for you to jump in when Facebook started, or when I can't even think that other Oh, I can't think. Sorry, guys. But listen, our products, you can see, our products are awesome. Our products are, as I told you before, I myself, I lost 25 pounds in 33 days using our awesome and amazing products. I have family members who have awesome testimonies from using the products. I have friends who have awesome testimonies from using our products. So listen, now, tonight you're going to decide whether you want to be a customer and order a product from me, or you may know someone who suffers from anything that I talked about and they may want to order a product from me. But I can tell you this, every household should have NutriBurst and a detox tea. You know, because everybody needs vitamins and everybody needs a detox, right? If you're breathing, you need a detox, right? If you're breathing, you need some sort of vitamin. So guys, listen, let's talk about briefly how we get paid in Total Life Changes. Right now, we get paid 6 different ways. So let me ask you this, with the job that you have now, how many ways do they pay you? Do they pay you 6 different ways, or you just get paid once, right? So with Total Life Changes, we get paid 6 different ways, and they're now going to start giving us daily pay. You know, we're going to be like the Uber. You know, people, you know, they drive Uber, they get their money the same day. What Total Life Changes is going to be, when you retail a product, the very next day you're going to get paid for it, right? So the first way that we get paid is retail. And retail is when you join the company. Total Life Changes is going to give you your very own website, right? You're going to send people to this website, and when they order products, Total Life Changes is going to pay you 50% of the volume cost of that product. For example, if somebody came to your website and they ordered a month's supply of tea, Total Life Changes is going to give you $20, right? So just imagine if 5 people came to your website and ordered the tea, you made $100, right? So the second way that we get paid with Total Life Changes is Fast Start. So Fast Start is when you talk to someone and someone decide to partner up with you and join Total Life Changes with you, and let's say they join with a package of $150, because you introduce them to the business. Total Life Changes is going to give you 50% of the volume point of what they join with, right? How awesome is that? Listen, guys, I have been in maybe 5 different network marketing companies, but never been the one that paid like Total Life Changes. I just saw something. I just heard something. Something scared me. But never in a company that pays like Total Life Changes, right? The third way that we get paid in Total Life Changes is 50% check match. So listen, what I'm going to do right now, instead of me going through all the ways that we get paid, just know that Total Life Changes do pay us well. If you want more information, please inbox me. I will give you more information on how we get paid. So I want you to decide. I'm looking for someone to partner with me in Total Life Changes. So for more information, please inbox me and I will definitely get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video, bye for now.